Presenting the Ram 2018 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 22A Tradesman included, engine 6.4L V8 heavy-duty Hemi transmission, 6-speed automatic 66 RFE front armrest with cup holders, 4.10 axle ratio, STD, power and remote entry group included, premium vinyl door trim with map pocket remote keyless entry power black trailer tow mirrors front 1 touchdown power windows exterior mirrors with heating element power locks exterior mirrors courtesy lamps exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, rear view auto dim mirror with display integrated voice command with Bluetooth, electric shift on the fly transfer case, gross vehicle weight, 13,500 pounds, STD, tires, LT 235/.